Hello, my name is Bo Jacobsen. I'm going to talk about the water that comes out of the tap and leaves through the drain. It seems limitless, so often we forget how precious it is, but it's one of our most valuable resources. The quality of tap water is generally very high in Europe, certainly clean enough for human consumption. During the last 25 years, we have improved water treatment immensely in Europe. For example, the number of homes collected to sewage treatment has improved dramatically, particularly in Southern and Eastern Europe. What's interesting is that aquatic plants and animals may need even cleaner water as they are more sensitive than we are to certain substances. For example, even tiny amounts of nutrients, or the so-called hazardous substances, heavy metals, industrial chemicals, pharmaceuticals and so on, they can harm the environment. This means that the chemical status of many of Europe's water bodies is not good enough because of these hazardous substances are not sufficiently removed during the wastewater treatment process. This can have some weird effects on nature. For example, where treated wastewater is discharged or with little dilution, synthetic estrogen like the contraceptive pill and other hormones can give male fish female characteristics. So it's very important that we avoid polluting the water in the first place. Chemicals, oil, leftover paints and medicines can be extremely hard to remove from water. Perhaps we forget about the value of water because, financially at least, it's so cheap compared to what you get. This is half a liter of bottled water. It cost me €1.50. This is the same amount of water from the tap with the same good quality. The price is only around 0.4 euro cent, so it's 400 times cheaper than this bottled water. This price covers the full supply chain all the way to your tap. When it passes out through your body again, the same price includes treating the resulted sewage. Not a bad deal for less than half a euro cent. Bear in mind that this money also needs to cover the reinvestments to keep the aging infrastructure in a good shape. We should appreciate the true value of our tap water. As the saying goes, you only know the value of water when your well is dry.